Hello friends. Now there is a question about dosha on a birth chart and a horoscope. There are two things that bother every horoscope. One is dosha, another is curse. As humans curse others, planets also curse the person on whose chart the planets are positioned uncomfortably. So a curse is something that is to be understood like this. In Tamil, there is a saying that if I am unable to handle you, handle all your atrocities, if I am unable to accept your atrocities but at the same time do nothing about it due to my weakness, அல்லற்பட்டு ஆற்றாது அழுத கண்ணீர் செல்வத்தை தேய்க்கும் படை. That means when somebody has become helpless and if they start crying for the injustice done to them, definitely it will affect the person who has been responsible for causing this injustice. This crying in a helpless manner is called curse. So when planets are sandwiched between two malefics, or when planets are placed in disturbing houses like 6, 8 and 12 and again afflicted by a malefic, the planet start cursing the native. So that is curse. Curse has got a remedy and it can be completely removed by a proper remedy given by a Vedic astrologer. The next one is dosha. Dosha is nothing but a deficiency. It is not a totally inaction, but it is a deficiency. So a planet has got some deficiency to function its role on the human being. That is dosha. Now you know diabetes. Diabetes is a deficiency. It is not a disease. So what people say, some people are advertising that diabetes can be reversed. No, it is not correct. Diabetes can be controlled but not totally removed. Same way, the deficiency of a planet in any horoscope can be controlled but it cannot be totally erased. Nowadays, what people do while matching two horoscopes of a male and a female, they balance the deficiency. If you have a Mars dosha in your chart, your wife also or your spouse also should have a similar Mars dosha in her chart. Something like that, they balance it. Same way, there are certain remedies to control the dosha of a planet. But dosha remains throughout the life of a person. So that was the question. Can the presence of a dosha in your birth chart will be there throughout a person's life? Yes, it will be there. But it can always be controlled. The planet which is giving which is having a deficiency has to be balanced by some activity. That way you can control the deficiency, control the dosha. Thank you very much. We will go to next question next week. Good day. Ram Ram.